Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Chrome's amazing new split view feature to use two tabs side by side without any extensions. And now, let's get started. Chrome has finally introduced a fantastic split view feature, allowing you to effortlessly open two tabs side by side directly within the browser. This means you no longer need to rely on third-party extensions to manage multiple pages simultaneously. If you frequently find yourself needing to reference one tab while actively working in another, this new capability will significantly enhance your browsing efficiency. To begin using this feature, ensure your Chrome browser is updated to the latest version. Using split view is incredibly straightforward. While browsing, if you encounter a link you wish to open alongside your current tab, simply right-click on the link. You will now see an option to open link in split view. Chrome will automatically display this new tab next to your active one, creating a seamless side-by-side experience. This is a long-awaited feature for many Chrome users, and it is finally here. You will notice that the two tabs now appear grouped together, indicating they are in a split view arrangement. You have the flexibility to close either tab independently whenever you need to. Furthermore, right-clicking on a tab within the split view reveals additional useful options. For instance, selecting Arrange Separate Views will unsplit the screen, returning the tab to its normal, individual view. You can also easily close the left or right split tab if desired. For those who prefer a different layout, you can even swap the positions of the two tabs. There is also a reload option available. When selected, this action will refresh both split tabs simultaneously. If you right-click on a split page, you will also find an option to duplicate the split tab. This can be particularly beneficial if you want to have the exact same page open in both sections of the split screen. Another valuable function is the pin option. When you pin split tabs, Chrome will merge them and keep them locked open, preventing accidental closure. To unpin them, simply right-click on the pin tab and select Unpin. Chrome also allows you to mute specific sites directly from the tab options. If a tab is playing audio and you wish to silence it without closing the tab, you can easily do so. This functionality is consistent with how you would typically mute tabs. Additionally, you can add tabs from split view to your reading list, just as you would with regular tabs. The Send to Your Devices feature is also fully supported, enabling you to share your split view tabs with your phone or other devices whenever necessary. This new split tab feature in Chrome is a truly useful addition that streamlines multitasking. Try it out for yourself and let us know what you think about your experience. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.